So today I'm going to show you how to find the surface area of this Rice Krispies Treats box that we've been talking about. So the first thing we need to do is identify what kind of solid is this box. And we know, since the two bases are rectangles, this is a rectangular prism. So what we need to do is we need to think about what this box would look like if we opened it. So we've talked about this before. So step one is we are going to draw a net of the box, which is what the box would look like if it was opened. So what I'm going to do is I always start with the front first. So this is the front of the box. This is the top of the box. The box has two sides. The box has a bottom and then the box has a back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to label all of my dimensions. So the front of the box is 6 by 10, and so is the back of the box, because the front and back of the box are exactly the same. Then the sides of the boxes are 6 by 3, so I'll put 6 by 3 each time. And then the top of the box is 10 by 3. And I am missing the, what else am I missing here? The bottom of the box is also 10 by 3. So that's step one. So now that you can see, once we open it, that we have 6 rectangles. And we know how to find the area of a rectangle. It's length times width. So all we have to do is find the area of these 6 rectangles and then add them all together. So that would be step 2. Find the area of the rectangles. Oops. And to save us some time, I'm going to link the two things that are equal together. For instance, the front and the back, since they have the same dimensions, they're going to have the same area. So that's why I'm going to put, it's really 2 times the length times the width, because there's 2 of them. So the dimensions of both the front and the back are 6 by 10. So 2 times 6 times 10 is 120 square inches. Next, we have the 2 sides. So again, I'm going to use a 2 because it's 2 of them, and they're both 6 by 3 for the length and width, so that is 36 square inches. Then I have the top and bottom, which will be 2 times the dimensions, 10 by 3, so I get 60 square inches. So now, step 3, I'm going to add the areas together. So I'm going to do 120 plus 36 plus 60, which equals 216 square inches. And that is the total surface area of the box. So the last question you want to ask yourself is, why would you need this information in real life? Well, there could be many different reasons, but the main one I can think of is if someone were to ask how much cardboard is required to make the shape. That is definitely something that the manufacturer of Rice Krispies Treats would be worried about. Okay, so that is how you find the surface area of a box of Rice Krispies Treats.